Hello and welcome. This is Rafi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Namecheap domain with your Hostinger web hosting and how to install WordPress on that domain so that you can start building your website or blog. So without further ado, let's start the process. So here we go. I'm on my Namecheap account and you can see from my domain list, I have got a domain to get started with. Here we go, this one. And here is my Hostinger hosting account. I am signed in with my hosting package. And now to start the process, what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to click on websites. And by the way, for the information purpose, on Hostinger, you can host multiple websites under one hosting plan. For example, you can see this one. I have already hosted 16 websites. And now I'm going to add one more website on this hosting. So let's proceed. I'm going to click on websites. And after that, we're going to find this option, add websites. I'm going to click on add website. And after that, it is going to show us WordPress, Hostinger website builder, or if you want to create a custom website. So I'm going to click on WordPress because I want to install a WordPress here. Okay. So after that, they're going to ask, hello, who is this website for? So I'm going to select myself or my business, or you can basically select either one of it. It's perfectly fine. So I'm going to select myself or my business and then click on next. After that, they're going to ask us to provide the WordPress account or login credentials. So basically you have to enter your WordPress admin email. You have to choose a password and you have to use these credentials to log in to the WordPress backend. So I'm going to put or keep this email as it is because I mostly use this email for some of the tutorials. And now I'm gonna choose a password. So simply you have to choose a password according to these rules here. So as I already have got one, so I'm gonna keep this. I use this password for the tutorial purposes, so no worries at all. And this email as well. So I'm gonna click on next. And after that, they're gonna ask you what type of website do you want to build. So I'm gonna click on create blank site so that I don't have to choose any themes and stuffs from there. So I'm going to click on create blank site. We can choose themes. We can do whatever we want from the backend. So it's perfectly fine. So now what domain or subdomain would you like to use? So basically we're going to connect a domain from Namecheap. So I'm going to go back here. And after that, this is the domain that I'm going to work on. So I'm going to click on manage for this domain. And after that, I'm going to copy the domain name from here. Let's go back here and paste the domain. And now Hostinger is going to check if the domain name is available or something like that, as you can see. So if you want to purchase a domain, you can do that as well from here. Simply make a search for the targeted domain. And then if it is available, purchase it for yourself, right? So I'm going to go with this one, which I own. So I'm going to select the domain and they're going to ask us to connect the domain name manually, right? By putting the name servers. So I'm going to do that in this video, obviously. So I'm going to click on next now. After that, they're going to start installing WordPress and it is going to take a few seconds to up to a minute to get this done. So while Hostinger is working on building our website in the background, what I'm going to do, I'm going to point the name servers on my domain control panel. So while it is working, let's make a search on Google and I'm going to type out Hostinger DNS or domain name servers, and let's type this out and then I'm gonna choose or figure out the DNS records. I'm gonna attach the link into the video description so that you can easily find the name servers. As you can see here, these are the name servers. So I'm gonna copy the first one. Let's go back here. And after that, we're going to scroll a bit down. We're going to find name servers. Again, we are on the domain control panel. We clicked on the manage button and then we went or came to this page. And now we are under name servers. We're going to click here. Currently it's set to Namecheap basic DNS. We're going to click on custom DNS. After that, I'm going to paste the name server that I've just copied. And let's go back here. I'm going to copy the second name server from here, copy and paste it right here. And for your information, if you want to purchase a hosting package from Hostinger, Obviously you're gonna be able to purchase a hosting from there, and they have got a Hostinger sale, so you can grab the deal, and along with that sale amount you're gonna get extra 10% off by using a code. I'm going to use that special link into the video description. Also, I'm going to add the promo code, which is obviously my sponsored. I'll get a small commission from them, but in return you're gonna get 10% extra from Hostinger hosting purchase. So it's a win-win for you and me. So let's go back here on the domain, and I have already entered the first DNS record and the second DNS record. It's time to click here on the save icon. And here you go. DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect, so don't worry at all. It usually takes a few minutes. From within 5 minutes we're gonna see that it's working perfectly fine. And now we are gonna go back to our Hostinger control panel, and here you go. We can see that the website is already installed. So if I try to visit the WordPress admin page from here, let's see if we can access the backend of the website. And here you go, we are on the WordPress dashboard. You can see if I click here, now we can make necessary changes on the website. And obviously we are, as of now, we are on the preview domain, but don't worry at all about this. Within 3 to 5 minutes it should be already propagated, but sometime it might gonna take up to few hours. Don't worry at all, but it usually gets done faster. So this is it, guys. Now you can simply go to themes, change the theme. So for example, if I visit this site from here, you can see this is the current look. But if I take you back here and I'm going to change one of the themes from let's say Astra, let's activate the theme, and I'm going to get some starter templates so that the website will look nice. Just to show you, I'm going to reload this one. It's being activated, and I'm gonna go with classic starter templates. This is just an extra part. I'm gonna select Elementor here so that you can understand like how it works. So let's say I would love to install this one, and let's click on continue, and I'm gonna say skip this step, and I'm gonna say I understand, submit, and build my website. It's fine to keep these forms let's say empty. It's perfectly fine. So this part is just to show you like how quickly you can start making changes on your WordPress website, and it is going to look really nice. And if you need my help, please do let me know by commenting below. It would be my pleasure to make videos, and even you can hire me as well if you're a client. So I'm gonna click on view your website. And here you go, we have got a beautiful WordPress website to start working with. And basically if I click on edit with Elementor, we should be able to start making changes on the website. For example, if I want to change, we all love just for the purpose, let's say beauty. So, and if I click here on publish, the change will be published. And now if I visit this website from here, let's try again, we should be able to see beauty. So I'm gonna upload more videos about WordPress website customization and stuff. If you want to watch them, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. And if you've got any question, if you need any help, please feel free to let me know by commenting below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.